Hello, today this video will be on my application problems from geometry. On my reflections on those application problems. So, it asked me different questions on each one, but it mainly focused on my emotions. For my emotions, I didn't really feel much because I just saw it as another assignment or project, whatever you want to call it. And, but I did have quite a bit of fun because I got to choose my own shape. So I chose a dodecagon, a 12-sided shape, which I would assume most people wouldn't even think of or consider of when they're doing this type of project of like designing their own place. And they have to figure out the area and everything. I doubt they would think of that. Or even think of using kilometers. I decided to use my own units of measurements, and I chose kilometers. So it was quite fun to think from my own perspective and thinking. From what I can recall, I don't think I had any challenges or mistakes while doing this application problem, at least that I can recall. I also think it's really cool how it connects to real world experiences and jobs, because it's mainly focusing on designing a place like so basically like architect, construction, and like landscaping. I think it's really cool how they still use math and or geometry concepts. Like for instance, having to solve area, having to make sure you have enough space by figuring out the dimensions you want, picking your units of measurement, your shape, possibly trying to find angles to make sure you fit it into that space that you're given into your job. So I think it's really cool. Plus also they even have to do research on to make sure that whatever they're building, like for instance they're building like a basketball or hockey field for teams, that they have to make sure that it is the right size, because they can't just make it smaller or bigger. It's better to practice on something you'll do in the future if you plan on doing that for a future job. I would really like to know more about that because I definitely don't know all the concepts they use in this type of job of architect, construction, and landscaping, as I mentioned before. I'd like to know like what kind of geometry and or math concepts they still use in this job. But yeah, that is my video. Thank you for watching, and I hope I did good, and I hope you guys have a great day.